and welcome to Adrenal Repair. Now first off, I do want to apologise. I have been away for quite some time. It's just because I've been very busy with work and other things that's been going on. But now I got all this time in the world. I'm locked into my 500 square foot apartment and I'm going to make the most of it. I'm going to catch up on all the stuff that I wanted to do. And one of those things was to get back on my YouTube channel. So if you do like my videos, please do subscribe. I'll keep these videos coming. And yeah, let's get through this pandemic together. It will pass, and I really feel for, because a good lot of my subscribers and followers are already dealing with a pre-existing anxiety condition. Now the whole world is dealing with anxiety with this pandemic. So for those guys, they have two battles that they're in. They're dealing with what's going on around the world, and then they also have that pre-existing anxiety condition. So I really feel for you guys. You're warriors. But we're going to win the battle, and I'm going to share with you a very effective technique that you can use that will help you get out of that state of fear and get yourself engaged in something productive. Okay, sound good? All right. So I used this technique and it was very effective for me to get rid of my anxiety disorder, derealization, depersonalization, and I feel this, if I had to pick one thing, it was distraction and diversion. But there's a little hidden tip that a lot of people miss out on. Okay, there's one little golden nugget when it comes to this, and that is intellectually engaging yourself in the task, whatever that is that you choose to take up. So you hear people saying that they got rid of their anxiety issue after joining let's say a martial arts gym, and they met all these people and they fell in love with the sport. And all of a sudden I was like, oh, that's all you need to do is just distract yourself. And then other people try it and they get nowhere. The reason why I believe these people don't get anywhere and when they try distracting themselves is because they're not intellectually engaging themselves in the task. Now that might mean, and it might not be that person's fault, let's say you decide to take up dance lessons and you go into the class and the teacher's just not very good with beginners. It's not very good at breaking down the moves into bite-sized pieces, enough that you can chew when you start. If you get overwhelmed, your brain is still, if you're dealing with anxiety disorder, you're still going to be stuck in that anxiety state. It's not going to change the situation. You're just getting frustrated and your mind's still going to be running a million miles an hour. Same thing if they give you something too easy. If you're bored, your brain's still going to pick up on all the anxiety and all the creative worry that it's capable of. So it's about finding that right balance, finding that right teacher or that right lesson that just keeps you intellectually engaged. And no matter what it is, when you're engaged and you're present and you're in that flow state, you're going to enjoy it. Okay, and that's why I say it's endless, the stuff that we can do, and it's easy now with all this free time you have. Fill up your schedule. Okay, by the time this is over, you might be a master. Starting dance classes, you might have the footwork of a slot now, and then by the end of it, you might be breakdancing on America's Got Talent this time next year. So you have all this free time, enjoy it. Okay, just play around, explore, and if you're using YouTube to get some tutorials, don't just go with the first video you see. Just shop around, find someone who's really good at breaking down that lesson that will keep you intellectually engaged. That's the nugget. Okay, and fill your day up from you wake up in the morning till you go to bed at night time, trying out different skills, whatever it is that you're interested in. And you might not even be interested in something, you just find a good teacher and they'll keep you engaged. So these are just some of my ideas that I'd like to share with you. So yoga, yin yoga is what I've been using at night time each night. I've been putting this on around 8 o'clock, 8:30 before I go to bed. Do a little bit of yin yoga, great way to wind down, get myself ready for sleep. Cooking, if you're already a good cook, okay, time to step it up. There's a lot of master chefs on YouTube giving some great tutorials. Declutter your home, that's a great way just to clear out the mind. When you declutter and everything's tidy, it's very calming, okay, I find anyway. Musical instruments, that's a fun one to start. That's a great way just to keep yourself distracted and yeah, have fun with it, explore. Learn to dance, great for coordination. Again, the more complex the moves, the happier the brain is. That's all it wants. That's our main purpose, is to perform complex movements. Well, the brain's main purpose, I should say. And it makes sense. Trying to survive out in the wild, if you're clumsy, you're not going to last too long. Juggling, that's a fun one. I really enjoy that. Online course, the Linden Method. Great resource. This website's awesome. I don't have an affiliate with the Linden Method, but they do have a great setup, and they have people on call there that are professionals on call that can help guide you through the course and guide you to your recovery. Audiobooks, big fan of Wayne Dyer and Tony Robbins. Okay, that's great for if you want to listen to something more positive and uplifting and boost your confidence. Definitely check out these two guys. I'm a huge fan of brain training games, and I actually like to combine that with my workouts. It can be a lot of fun. Workouts again can be boring, all these home workouts, and people are just trying to get you to jump on board at home to do the lunges and squats. Your mind's still going to run 1,000,000 miles an hour doing squats and lunges. But if we throw in some brain training games, it keeps you engaged. It's a great way to get a workout in, at the same time keep yourself distracted. Listen to a podcast. Art classes, another great one. Again, find a good instructor. Whatever type of art you want to try out, find a good instructor. Go order all your brushes that you need online, get them delivered, and go to town. Learn a new language. I'm working on Japanese at the minute, so this has been taking up a lot of time for me. So I threw it out there. You can hold me accountable. Maybe in about 6 months' time, you can call me out on it, and I'll show you where I'm at. Working out, I just mentioned that. Coursera, that's a website online that has tons of courses that you can just do for free. But yeah, so there's plenty of stuff there for you to play around with. Do give it a go and let me know how you get on. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. I'll keep these videos coming. And if you have Instagram, follow me on Instagram. I'm just getting my Instagram page up and running. It's called Adrenal Repair. So if you can hashtag Adrenal Repair with any of these challenges that you decide to take on for yourself, it'd be awesome. I'd love to see your progress while we're all locked in. Again, have fun with this. Enjoy the time that you have now. Don't focus on the news. Forget about it. And yeah, let's master a few skills the time this is over. All right, take care and see you guys soon.